Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to talk about a small but very common issue: why the highlight effect in your PCB design doesn't look obvious. Sometimes when you select a component or trace in EasyEDA Pro, you might notice that the highlight is barely visible. The whole screen looks almost the same brightness, which makes it hard to see what's actually selected. But don't worry, this is something we can easily fix. First, we can improve it by adjusting the transparency setting in Theme Options. Go to the top menu and click on Settings, PCB Footprint, Theme. In the theme window that pops up, look for the option called Select and Hover Highlight. Those control how your objects look when you click or hover over them. You can simply adjust their transparency to make the highlighted area stand out more. And if you want it to be even clearer, try changing the color to something brighter. For example, light blue or yellow works really well. Once you have made your changes, click Apply, and you will instantly see the difference. Besides the theme settings, there's another way to make the highlight easier to see, by checking the inactive layer transparency. On the right-hand side of your workspace, click the layer setting icon at the top of the layer panel. In the pop-up window, you can increase the transparency of the inactive layer a little bit. That way, your highlighted objects will look brighter, while the rest of the board appears slightly dimmer, making the contrast and layer separation much clearer. Let's do a quick recap. There are two ways to fix a weak highlight effect. In the theme settings, adjust the transparency of color of Select and Hover. In the layer settings, increase the transparency of non-active layer so the highlighted ones really pop out. With these two small tricks, your PCB display will look much clearer and easier to work with, so you won't accidentally select the wrong object anymore. Alright, that's all for this lesson. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to give it a like and support the channel. See you in the next class.